This segment will show you how to operate and maintain your sprayer. Here are some tips about using your sprayer before you begin. First, you should test the boom and spray gun with plain water to make sure it is working properly before using chemicals. The pump has its own pump pressure switch which may turn itself on and off depending on the flow demand. This may cause the pump to cycle on and off rapidly, and it is normal if that happens. The boom valve can be opened completely when spraying with the boom, or closed completely if you will only be using the spray gun. The bypass valve on the Y fitting controls the flow to the hose that returns fluid to the tank. You can adjust the bypass valve to obtain the desired spray pattern. To eliminate misting, you should open the bypass valve more until the misting stops. You can adjust the spray from a cone-shaped fine mist to a straight stream by turning the nozzle on the spray gun. You can control the spray gun operating pressure using the bypass valve on the Y fitting. Keep in mind, you get the most spray gun pressure when the boom valve is shut off. To use the sprayer, first you will want to gather some information about the size of the area to be sprayed, the solution application rate based on the chemical manufacturer's recommendations, and the appropriate speed for the sprayer based on the size of the area, the pressure setting, and the application rate. All of these factors will help you determine the appropriate settings for the sprayer and the tractor and the amount of solution to use. You can refer to the instructions that came with the solution as well as the guidance charts and the sprayer instructions provided to get the information you need. When you are almost ready to begin, test first using plain water. Open the boom valve completely, then close the bypass valve and slowly open it to get the optimum spraying pressure and spray pattern desired. Then you can add the solution to the tank. Drive to the starting place for spraying without spraying yet. Then set the boom in position for spraying. Set the throttle in the position that you determined previously, and flip the sprayer's inline switch to the on position to start spraying. While spraying, take care to only spray the solution on the plants intended to avoid damaging any sensitive plants. Proper maintenance of your sprayer will help ensure long use through the seasons. It's important to make sure that you do not store leftover solution in the tank. You should periodically clean the strainer in the end of the intake hose at the bottom of the tank. To do this, remove the nylon swivel nut from the hose, then pull out the screen and flush it with clear water. Also, periodically clean the strainers and the boom nozzles. Remove the nozzle, pull out the screen, and flush it with clear water. After each use, you should clean the sprayer, first by filling it with water, discharging the water, and then filling it again with water plus chemical neutralizer, and discharging this cleaning solution as well. You can also use the handgun to wash the sprayer parts inside and when the tank is filled with water or with a watered cleaning solution. To store the sprayer over the winter, make sure that all the water is drained out of the sprayer and especially out of the pump and handgun. The sprayer can be prepared for winter by pumping a 50-50 solution of water and antifreeze through the sprayer plumbing.